A new era in personal computing.
Laptops have become the primary choice for personal computers. Over the past few decades, they have shifted from being niche, expensive devices to the standard for work, study, and leisure. This transition reflects major advancements in technology and changes in how we live and work.
From desktops to portability.
Desktops once dominated the personal computer market. During the 1980s and 1990s, most households and offices used bulky desktop machines. Laptops were rare and primarily used by business executives who needed computers on the go due to their high cost and limited power.
Technological breakthroughs.
Improvements in processors, batteries, and displays transformed laptops. By the early 2000s, advances in hardware allowed laptops to become thinner, lighter, and more affordable, while offering power that matched desktops for everyday tasks. These breakthroughs fueled rapid adoption of laptops worldwide.
The demand for mobility.
The need for flexible work and study accelerated the shift. As wireless internet and cloud storage became mainstream, people needed computers they could easily move and use anywhere, at home, in cafes, or while traveling. Laptops perfectly fit this new lifestyle.
Laptops as the new standard.
Today, laptops are the default choice for most users. Their versatility, combined with ongoing innovation in design and performance, means they have largely replaced desktops in everyday computing. For many, the laptop is now synonymous with the personal computer.